Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Roshan Agarwal.
And where do you stay?
I stay at Andheri.
Okay, Andheri West.
Yeah, Andheri West.
Okay. How old is your child?
I have basically my 3 children are coming here for dance class. My eldest one is in 9th standard, the younger one is in 6th standard, and the youngest one is in 5th standard.
Okay. So what exactly were you looking out for your children before you got them here?
No, in fact, I knew Nandini. She was my colleague where I was working in one of the school like Arivida Mandir in Santa Cruz.
Okay.
So I knew her. She was a dance teacher in our school. I saw children performing over there, so she was my friend, and I thought of putting my children in her class.
Okay. So any options you considered before getting them here?
In fact, whatever I have in my mind, I had that time, they are all being fulfilled over here. So I don't go for any other classes. Though I was told by my friends that there are many more classes in Andheri nearby and all, but still I proved this to be the best.
Okay. So quite in distance from Andheri to Bandra.
Yes.
Okay. So two good things you would like to say about Sri Pavitra Arts?
It enhances the child a lot. They learn to be disciplined. It motors their body also. It gives them good thought. They know an art of India. They are learning Bharatanatyam, which is very important for our culture to know. And they are able to perform many shows. They do it regularly. They perform stage shows. In the temple also they perform dance. So they meet many people and they have a good interest in dance.
Okay. So you feel there is any area of improvement that needs to be looked upon?
Yes, there is a lot of improvement. They know what is Bharatanatyam, they know about the other dances, and they know the differences between modern dance and classical dance.
So do you think Sri Pavitra Arts is lagging behind somewhere and should improve a certain part of it?
No, I think Sri Pavitra is doing exactly what it should be doing. They do not only practical but theory classes are also there. They are told about the stories of the various goddesses and also they are doing a lot of things.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest, how likely are you to recommend Sri Pavitra Arts to other parents?
I would definitely scale it on a rank of 5.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Sure. Thank you so much.